Off to the Katherine Hot Springs, just out the back gate of the holiday park. We can find the track. How cool is that? Nice steam. It either gives the appearance that the water's extra hot or the morning's a little cooler. Here you got a choice. We can go down to the top pools or the bottom pools. But obviously if you go the top pool, you'll end up at the bottom pool. So there we go, we're all done and dusted here at the Katherine Hot Springs. That was really nice. So we'll head back to the van now and get ourselves ready for the day.